Clearly, there's a shit ton of track. And this is what makes me wonder why. Thursday, noon, middle of the day, middle of the week, why is there so many people out riding around? Oh. Okay. Whoa. Let's get it back home. It was not a very clean pass. It's kind of all over the place, but once I got full trigger, it kind of tried to line up. So let's just see what we did. Oh, okay. All right. All right, how did we do? Let's see here. Still picking up. And read. Woo! Did it! All right, cool. Well, baby numbers compared to everybody else, but 103, triple club. I'm done. I am done. I love this car too much to destroy it. Maybe one more run on my brand new paved road just for you guys. That's coming here soon. But other than that, all right, let's make it official. There we go. This is for the limited class, guys. So this is a 3S pack. Same one I used last year in the 2025 Run to 100, the one that Mike from Building Velocity gave me. Thank you, Mike. 8200, 11.4 volt. There's your wires, 4 wires. We did that on the Castle 6400 and the ZTW 220 amp ESC I got from Paul. Thank you, Paul. That thing kicked ass. 103. Cool. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.